Ano ba também Faustina, ano ba katunya, ano ba James niya, ano ba katalangan sa sartumay? Ano VDFM Facebook page, ano mo taka pinakilikuha sa atu talangan ngoro kono kia.
Ano mo ngole Brazil?
Iyo.
Ano mo ngole Brazil sa kamatani ngono mondo aga bukin mo ngole buno tadi se sa
Karolingono. Iyo.
Matani pa kanya ngole bi?
Tonga.
Uy.
Tonga ndot singa kira na airport, na Faamotu International Airport indonga.
Iya.
Ngal.
Baru kayak gini lo tuh.
Kayak gini lo.
Iya. Tapi orang itu juga.
Mai.
Orang itu juga kayak gini lo.
Okay.
Kailangan nito mamakala berta mata siyang wakir may nalut.
Iya.
Oyo talaga luto.
Ilang kapali mo nito mamakala bira.
Desa non dari tahu mitur warna mata kira.
Tur nak.
Iya.
Balit ni tur cukup bichilim.
Iya.
Nangay lo ya.
Iya.
Kaya kan kay kino tamiya busin mo dala. Nangay kay bantangan lo tu kira na bitamak.
Iya.
Yang kami narang kalau dikian sarakin.
Sanji na.
Iyo, kaya maka sangay cukup nung mangon di sa cukup sini aku.
Iya.
Lagi tak sarbali.
Right. Iku menguno kabe.
Warus.
Ranumi.
Iya.
Ranumi me. Padre kau.
Hey, Arabna John Kumar, good morning to you, sir. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning.
Mai.
Okay, no way mga bigsa dapat na Messi.
Iyo.
Iku kila Chimburi. Wendy dapat.
Okay, dos serangan ko na wani gastric.
Iyo.
Wani gastric.
Nata gastric mga bigsi.
And susah mo sa ambitan na kanin balem-balem mo rusot.
Isa na.
Siya ko kumala. Iko to ko na gastik.
Iyo na nabunongo erar.
Uy.
Oy.
Erar ilo masaranga enta urara. So nangona enta kami songotan umiding.
Iya.
Yeah.
Hey, John Kumar, what is gastric?
Yeah. Gastric is a founder of John Kumar.
Good morning to you all. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning. Once again, we are very happy.
Yeah, that is back.
Yeah, that small guy with a big head
Big head ko rin nandun na.
is back with us this
Right.
morning. Ano ba James?
Ano ka each and everyone joining this morning? You know, it's a very long time for me.
Right.
Yesterday, last week, on behalf of the people, on behalf of the transparent, on behalf of the
Community.
Eternity, the community,
Alright.
because I would like to apologize
Yeah.
for not present
Yeah.
in Bakata Bisinga.
Yeah.
I was Monday. Only
Yeah.
Monday I was away.
Mandi viva.
Yeah, Monday people. I was not coming. Thank you very much for you and everyone joining this morning.
Right.
So, Mika, tabi ko bito ko na biye ko.
No, everybody were happy
Yeah.
to hear the Messi
Yeah.
doing ouch palangi show from the stadium
Iyo.
last week.
Right.
Like
Excellent.
it's a new
Update.
update about the game.
Yeah.
Yeah, you very good in the commentary.
I would like to thank each team,
Right.
each participant that come from the Cook Games, the elites,
Right.
and also to the official.
Yeah.
Well done, good work.
Yeah.
Right.
But I was surprising. You know what?
Yo.
You know one thing I want to tell you too?
Yeah,
man.
We got one goal
Ooh.
from the Ratuluke Secondary School.
Oh, the 15,550.
Lord.
The 15,550.
I was mispressed. I was mispressed. So, tampak ka
So
sa-
you the main culprit, eh?
I was
He was so
mispressed.
happy that
Okay.
he pressed the wrong button, the wrong
Yeah.
number.
Oh.
It's supposed to be 1,500.
500 and 15500.
Yeah.
And everyone was saying, hey,
Everyone share on
BTFM,
ChatGPT.
this is the new event in the Coca-Cola game. You will run one whole day.
And
You still can complete that 15,500.
and I was edit that.
Oi!
Again, but it was late. Some people they was looking for mistake.
Yeah.
They post it up, but that's automatically coming to our mind. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
But you know what?
Yo.
Yeah.
When we like this in prominent school,
Yeah.
some school they always get goal 9, some of them 3, more than 3.
Yeah.
As came from Ratuluke, the last time we got goal
Yeah.
was way back in 2016 or 2015.
Yeah.
Oh.
That was Amebasu,
Amebasu.
3,000 meter open grade.
Okay.
But this is the second goal for Ratuluke
Okay.
was was last week.
So, I'm also ready now?
3,000 open grade.
Oi.
This
Yeah,
one
okay.
1,500.
All right.
This girl,
Yeah.
junior girls 1,500.
Yeah.
But one thing,
Yeah.
you know what? That goal,
Yeah.
we cook the food.
One big celebration.
One big celebration from the village.
Oi.
We see where the Sulumasi.
Oh.
If no food, you eat the raw food.
The raw food ko rin
No goal.
nangunin wa.
Yeah, Sarah, man.
Iyo. Ando no makana kelli
Oh,
soli.
Rizal.
Iyo. Madri soli ta kay nakoro.
Iyo.
Ba sulu mas yung nelo ko kula.
Right.
That's heaviness ng bimbi
Iyo.
of gold in our school.
In the school, eh?
Yeah.
Yes, imagine, coming from the outer islands,
Yeah, right.
and then one goal, eh?
Yeah.
Araw to Meramaro, eh?
Yes.
Okay, after the event, what time you knock off from there?
On which day?
Saturday, last day.
Saturday I was in the night. Sampong yung bimbi.
Okay.
Yes.
You came to town.
I was walking all the way from there because I want to come. I don't want to wait for the transport because it will be late. Eh?
Yeah.
So I accompany with two Marista brothers, boys.
Oh, yeah.
One from Nambale and one from Ovalau.
Oh, yeah.
Gogoni.
All right.
We was walk along. Then myself was going to Endeavor Road
Yeah.
to the
Oh,
St.
to
John.
Big Brother.
Big Brother.
Andre.
I was went there.
Sajin.
Yeah.
Kailan nga na marama turang ni Tameli o lomsi tu isawana. Ano na iyo na uwi mo siya toka.
Right.
Ayun na matali ko. Okay. Kailan ka matapos? May.
One short story about the student from Ratuluke.
Mayor.
They were coming
Please
together.
tell us, please.
Or they come together with the parents and guardian.
Iyo.
Right.
But there's one tumutumbo.
Yeah.
Once parents there
Yeah.
who come along with them
Yeah.
is Rusiate.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. They went back already.
They already gone.
Oi.
Yeah, they went back to the village.
Yeah.
So this fella, as soon as athletes one goal, 1,200 meter,
Yeah.
he leave the stadium.
What?
He runs here with Damoda.
Iyo.
This one Kababali,
Right.
he drink 2 basins there.
Say.
He was very happy.
Iyo.
He was very happy. He leave everything there. He took 2 basins.
Iya.
Oi.
Drink, go back to the playground.
Iyo.
Oi.
So
When
when
we
we
something-
filled with happiness.
We feel with happiness.
Yeah.
After then, we visit the camp. The
Right.
old scholars,
Yeah.
the Ratuluke and the Wainunu relatives.
Yeah.
Right.
We visit them.
Yeah.
We visit them. Each and everyone took 1 basin.
What kind of-
Thanks for the goal. But the trainer, one fella from Nalway, Master, good afternoon.
Oi. Nalway.
Nalway.
Oh, no nakakumraw.
Iyo.
Yeah.
He drink all the grog he pour some outside for another goal.
For another goal, go to one round.
So you stay alone today?
Huh?
From Saturday until now you stay alone in the
Sunday, I'm not alone. I got
Please tell us the story.
Yeah.
uh,
All the time,
Yeah.
Abu went to Nabua.
I went Puna.
Yeah.
They went to Nabua. They was crying. They want to go to Nabua.
Right.
But yesterday night,
Yeah.
myself was there alone with my daughter.
Yeah.
We was calling them. They was calling us.
Yeah.
Puna was crying. He wants to come back.
Oh, Hulk.
Hulk.
Yeah.
Hulk was crying. He want to come back.
Yeah.
He was crying. He didn't want to off the phone.
Okay.
Yeah, he didn't want to off the phone.
Right.
He was like this. Please
I
come.
want to come back to Lolo.
I want to come back. Come.
And Abu.
Abu no. Abu was relaxed.
Oh, okay.
He likes staying there because he
What was
going
there?
for the seesaw.
Oh, okay.
Ertolak Batin Barabi.
Right.
He was going there.
He went and put those two in Nabua.
Yeah.
Abu and Puna.
Yeah.
And
This
he
guy,
took Puna to Endeavor Road.
the game plan.
And the game plan.
Boy.
And when Abu
You
cries,
want cheeky fella, boy.
Abu cries, I want to come back.
Yeah.
And he said, no, don't come back. Stay
Yeah.
there.
Stay there.
It's 2 weeks holiday.
When he was like that, I was thinking of him,
Yeah.
but I was calling this one.
Yeah.
If the fellow was receive the phone.
Yeah.
No, we went to Nabua last night. We picked the boys.
Oh.
But I told them, okay, don't worry.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we'll come.
Okay.
I'll come to Nabua today.
Right.
Or if not, the Momo.
Yeah.
Uncle, Tamaimo will bring them this morning.
Oh, okay, all right. Well, tutok. Ano rin na bikin doon ng mani?
Right.
Pero doon kusumay.
Yeah.
Namututa lenga chubugilib no nagabobo.
Some people asking about the sickness that you suffer.
Oh,
Is it still there?
what sickness you tell them, you like to them?
No.
Na tabi mata na mo, lawa kita kapati kayo to, really ni mo.
Because your tutu told us that
Yeah.
that my brother is suffering from one big boil.
Oi.
Mura.
Oh, na boy, kismimbi.
So just tell them
Yes.
and let them know that what is the wali ni Mura.
Yeah. Kaya de Mika, what tawag taman tabi kaya madal tra na taban na.
I'm not going to kila.
And why you keep on saying?
Yeah.
And I don't know, Makeli
Yeah.
told everyone.
Which kind of wura?
He said that
Unexploded one.
And
Yeah.
that's what one me put there.
so it's finished.
I'm not You know, I was surprised with this news. When I was at home, some people calling me, "Hey, you suffering from this one, the male one, the male one." Iko tabi ko tinamatan ni tangani. O sa pa ko, who said? The people can I don't want. Know what? The only thing happened in Asgang when you are not coming, you are suffer.
Saan ba tanito yan? Ay, mga witsiro na mga taka. Kung yung mandwala ka, mosera ka may na matigor. Meron na bibig. Bisa, bibig na kada tuning in this morning. If you have any way of wiki for the pura, matanito ranga. Please help us to help them.
Siya nga, siya ang tawiyaw. You know, kaya baka may ngaitaw ito na matya. Siya nga, baka ngalis mo na kanimburi. Sulwa to nga, sulwa siya.
Sino mampu lagi? Sino mampu? Hey!
Sa meu dere?
Bola.
Romy John Kumar, Via Prasad, and Ravinaga came down Esa.
Right.
Sa waning buwas, eh?
Oh, may umbulare. Ang gorin daw ito yung barag.
Oh,
barag.
Timo di siyang kalo, ba doya Ravinak. Ban sarbet ya Ravinaka, boleh bisa lebih tokan na matang di pagkata bising ni ko.
Mil na dali untuk umbulan.
Kalau abur to bigyan go chuko na abur ko rin bagit mundo.
Pwede. Kurang botang ko rin mimbuy.
Iya, lebu juga na batan dua. Iko kalwa tanto ni susaw tamay ham.
Iya. Kasi galing tayo bakit tumanong dal sausaw.
Namin na susaw may buti.
Yes, nakaba.
Yes, nakaba.
Eh, sa to kita na ituki.
Iya.
Pero bono santo usul bitu. So nando kalwa tanto baski bikin na nakaba ko.
Yang mana tarung mana kan cuci yang mana karon di kuna ngat. Iya. Lang kata cuci no matagal bayay. Ke buka iyo. Tiap kali menonton.
Parang nandun mo chuwa. Ranumi.
Nakita ko ranumi sila baka nga lumalang.
Kaya lang kata kisar chuwale. Yo, benar tu megon
Sala si putra bitun to yan. Isa ker na tamba kana way ni bura.
Iyo.
Enta kita maya bukina.
Good.
Wachi kontor kan niru lamani ko kintor kan niru nanumi ko china.
Wala ti rubi kili nga mabito ni nanoru el rorwa.
Iyo.
Mal rubi kili ta chukoro na be ilang ka chubiro.
Iyo. Enta bakili mo bina kana tabe adu chu.
Iyo.
Patar kay pa nanti na nagay basik na may.
Ano nga basig nga.
Ano malak ki Gabrieli. Tama.
Meta me.
Kuchukin ako ng pilo.
Oh, kami kadang begitu na suni.
Igor.
Siya nga ko mesti kan didaka-daka.
Siya pula.
Nada akapans.
Oh, sa selo si M mo din bito.
Iya.
Gor misil we kata red mo me bata.
Iyo metamba.
Eh?
Doon na nagserang gori.
Iyo.
Yo, metamba ko may mga taga ko na ibad.
Iya bad me ngadon. Oh, ang medot.
Gor ke boleh kan iya bad. Sa dur ni kan kunci dia ko.
Na kami na ka.
Iya, tetok na yung utara.
Naman ang BSP. Proud sponsors of the
Kasi
feature.
malom city sa wana.
Iya.
Eta, okay ka ruwa. Bata ko na mata-matay. Ker.
Iya.
Pata ni mamar juga na mo na.
Iyo, bisu. Namun to ko lang, to lang mo to ko bisu ka betay.
Eta mong korenalis mo na pa mo.
Me kundi dulu na kana pata-pata.
Apakah kira Tony koron daw makataki? Ay, nanong gore makataki to na
Mama.
Sir, makataki to na kanyo baluni. Sir, makataki to na kula. Ay, binakita mo ka to sada ba? Kawata.
Best
Bye-bye.
Kulit mo.
Sorry kita itu na somo.